Namaste. We are at Bharat at Greater Noida, and we are at hall number 8. Our stall number is this F20 by 10, and Sabat Exports Private Limited, brand Utkal Amrita. We are here, and first let's start with the most beautiful thing that we have. In fact, this is our very beautiful Odisha handloom Sambalpuri Bandha GI tags sari. So this has 17 GI tags of Odisha. So they are all listed here. These are all the GI tags of which all the information is given here. So it's all woven. So this is Bomkai Sari and Fabrics with the logo. Then here is Sambalpuri Bandha Sari and Fabrics. So you can see GI application number. So with all the detailed information, this is woven. And the idea was given by my sister, our very own co-founder, Dr. Anita Sabat. And this was brought to life woven by Shri Vishwanath Meher. And Shri Prafulla Meher has also played a very important part in designing this. So that is how this national award winning sari has come about. And today we have brought this over here at the Bharat. And this is the epitome of sustainability. This is so beautiful Sambalpuri Bandha silk. Next we'll come to some of the ready-mades that we have. These are some of this is a lady's jacket. This is men's jackets. And here you can see these are cotton jackets. This is our Gopalpur Tussar jacket. And this is our very famous, our Khwaja collection. And this is the trench coat. So this is something which is entirely sustainable fashion. And here we have also brought this. Plus here we have the Kotpad handloom shirt. And this is actually a sort of half kurta, very smart one. And here is our handloom full kurta. And it is a very soft and wonderful to wear. Here there is Kotpad kaftan, which we have just made, something which is very smart and elegant. So this also and this also. This is having bigger hands and also the stylish sort of patterns going through in the Kotpad cloth. And this is our Kotpad dupatta. So this is indigo, and we have all these beautiful fishes over here. And next we'll come here and we'll have this beautiful Khandwa silk sari with a very contemporary anchal. So this is something which will look very elegant, gracious for the wedding season and for all the good occasions. And here is our Dolabedi, a cotton one, a very elegant one. And here we have also brought Nabakoti of cotton, which is a Khandwa and very elegant again. Here we find this is our kurta of Sambalpuri Bandha kapda, and here is our Mermaid's Patachitra cotton sari, which is very affordable and it's very nice to wear that. And here is another type of Kotpad kaftan, which is again very stylish with these tassels over here. So this is a new addition which we have done to our collection. And here we have, this is one sample of a salwar suit set. We have brought different sets, like these are Sambalpuri, Pasapali, then this is our Bomkai doll, and these are all the different types of salwar suit sets which are here, and these are all different fabrics which we have brought. So Sambalpuri Bandha, Utkal Lakshmi fabric, here is silk tribal fabric, and this is our Konark Chakra fabric, very famous, and here this is Nuapatna Ikat. So these are all different fabric collections also. This is our dupatta, a very soft, our Nuapatna Khandwa dupatta, and this is our Bomkai cotton sari, here we have our Parrots Patachitra silk sari. Again, very fine tussar and very beautiful parrots. So multicolored and beautiful with the blouse piece. And here we have also, this is like 3D. So we have green here, red here, and again green here. So this type of pattern which repeats, and the beautiful pallu is here. And this is our Habaspuri sari. So it is having a lot of fishes over here. Fishes, and in the border also we have fishes, along with fishes on the border. So Habaspuri is a very rare weave. Very few weavers are also there. And this is also a GI tag. And here we have Gopalpur Tussar. So this is something which is Ganga Jamuna. So it has a pink and also a red. So it is having a Ganga Jamuna sort of border. A very beautiful, elegant Gopalpur Tussar. And here this is our duster jacket. So this is made from Sambalpuri Bandha fabric. Again, a very stylish piece which can be styled over anything that you wear inside. And here we have, this is a Bomkai silk sari. Again, very beautiful with all the flower and all the work. This is the blouse piece, and the anchal will have a beautiful Bomkai work, extra weft. Very elegant and nice. And we got a couple of sling bags also, which are beautifully done in the upcycled concept. So we have been doing this right since inception, since 2015, when we started generating waste fabrics out of our tailoring. So we started using them and making all these. So I always carry this everywhere in the world. And here we have, so this is Barampuri silk, which is another GI tag. A very nice double pallu one with a beautiful color. And here is also our Vichitra Puri, a very special Sambalpuri silk sari. And here, this is our original Ganjam Bomkai, which is again very elegant. So the body is the Sumati green, and the anchal will be having black color. So this sort of black color will be in the anchal. So this is a very different type of original Ganjam. Next is the very special Ma sari in cotton. So Ma in two languages. So this is written in Hindi and also in Odia. And this is a very beautiful sari, very soft, fine, beautifully woven. And it has a very good anchal also. So here you can see the Ma anchal, very pretty one. And here this is our Ma sari with Ma actually woven in 16 languages. So this is something which is very special. Again, Vishwanath Meherji has made this sari and woven this beautifully in this beautiful combination. So you can see all these work over here. Absolutely stunning work. The Ma sari, again a national award winning sari. Very special. This and the GI tag sari. And here, this is our Kotpat sari, Adivasi Kotpat, with lot of motifs on it, all woven wonderfully. This is our Khandwa silk, and also it is a Dongriya pattern, because here you can see all the Dongriya sort of work done. And the Bandha, this is all the Bandha also, which is done on the body. And this is our special Dhara Pathara sari. So Dhara Pathara is again recognized by UNESCO as a very rare piece. And we don't get many weavers of this sari also. This is the Gaja Singha. So Gaja is the elephant and Singha the lion. This is a very popular motif which you also find in the stone sculptures of Odisha. So this is something very beautiful. And yeah, so, and here we'll show you some of this also. Here we have made all the brochures and our visiting card and some of these. So these are our pouches. We take orders for these as well. And yeah, so this is all our stall, and you all must visit and you must touch and feel this beautiful geographical indication sari, and you will fall in love with it. as you fall in love with so many of the Orissa weaves. So please do come, and we'll be here till 15th February only, and you can come and visit. There are weavers from all over India also, crafts people from all over India, plus lots of garment related companies have come. So it's a lot of knowledge gaining sessions also. So we hope to see all of you here, and definitely visit our stall, which is in hall number 8, F20 by 10, Sabant Exports Private Limited. Waiting for you. See you. Bye.
बंद कर ला